Maybe I will start my own bulletin board, and everyone will be allowed to reply at any time they want, except for guys with nubby horns. Oh no, they won't be able to reply at all. Grumpy car cats will be expressly forbidden from Rainbow Rumpus Party Town. Well, it may surprise you to know that I don't give a crap who gets to be leader, because unlike you, I actually have a fucking smidgen of maturity and self-respect. Maybe it just so happens that for once, this isn't about you. Maybe I am the one who needs some help. Has that occurred to you, Mr. Cool Kid? That is better. It's much easier to read your color this way. Your drab, dirty pavement gray on top of bright candy red, like a shiny lollipop. Does that sound familiar, Carcat? Gray on red, like the way your skin conceals your blood. Candy, candy red, you have a strong cherry cough syrup in your veins. It's completely delicious.